everybody. Welcome to my tent on the 4th of July. Sitting here with my dog and my wife, and we're about ready to go to sleep in the rain again. We're here for the next 3 days in the rain in a tent. Fishing early in the morning until about noon every day. And then we're told the rain will hit. But that's okay, because it's still better than hanging out and doing nothing. So thanks for tuning into the channel, Devil's Lake Food. And I'll try to keep you update on the fishing. It's looking good. Besides the rain at night, everything's been good. Not too many bugs. Not too much wind. The wind's kind of at about 8 miles an hour. And it's been about 70, 75. Colder now because I'm wet and in a tent. So, take care. Eat fish. I'll shut this flashlight off. Okay. Good seeing you. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, wait. I forgot to tell you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Billsy here. You thought you got rid of me. I also forgot to thank my neighbors here at the campground for feeding me some really cool Mong sausage tonight. And also with this cool kind of pepper sauce, but it was called something else. Pepper something. I don't know. But as, who's that guy? Jim Carrey, yeah. As he would say, I liked it a lot. Oops, you probably know. They also gave me some Coronas to drink because I'm acting so weird. I know what you're thinking, as Napoleon Dynamite would say. Lucky. Hey, I also want to thank my tent neighbors for giving me this really cool, kind of like, I think it was mustard greens cooked in like chicken broth. I forget what that's officially called, but I'm just going to call it good. All right, for real.